Everyone, if you are ready to start earning through your Stan Store, you will need to integrate a reliable payment processor like Stripe. So in this video, I will show you the step-by-step process to set up Stripe and start accepting payments. So now let's dive in. First, go to stripe.com and sign up for an account. Enter your email, set a strong password, and follow the registration steps. Now, once you're in the Stripe dashboard, you will need to complete your account setup by adding personal or business details and verifying your identity. Don't forget to link your bank account for payouts. Next, log into your Stan Store and dashboard and head to the settings section. Under payments, you will find the option to enable Stripe. Click on it, and you will be prompted to connect your Stripe account. A new window will open asking you to log into Stripe. Enter your Stripe credentials and authorize the connection. Once the setup is complete, you will be redirected back to your Stan Store, where Stripe will now be listed as your active payment method. Before you start accepting payments, make sure your payment settings are correct. Choose your preferred currency, and if needed, run a test transaction to ensure the integration works perfectly. You can do this by enabling test mode in your Stripe account. And that's it. Your Stan Store is now set up to accept payments via Stripe. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.